If you're heading into tax season and you're thinking, I'll deal with it in January, let me stop you right there. January is when the damage shows up, not when you get it fixed. Most business owners wait until the new year to start organizing their financials. And that's exactly why so many people overpay, miss deductions, or get hit with IRS letters they didn't expect. I'm Trevor Densmore, founder of TJD Accounting Tax. We help business owners clean up their books, get ready for tax season, and finally understand where their money is going so they can keep more of it. And today, I'm going to walk you through the exact checklist you should follow before December 31st to make sure tax season goes smoothly and your refund or liability is accurate. This is the checklist I use with my own clients, and it's the one thing that separates people who file confidently from people who spend the whole season stressed out. Let's get into it. Before we get down to the list, let me explain what changed this year and why getting organized early matters more than ever. The IRS is using AI to match your books to your tax return. If anything looks off, 1099s, payroll numbers, merchant processors, it automatically triggers a review. Penalties for incorrect W-2s and 1099s have gone up. So if you wait until January and scramble to get things together, you're more likely to miss filing or file them incorrectly. And bonus depreciation is back to 100%, which is great, but only if your assets list is accurate and your books are clean enough to claim it. So this year, your year-end prep matters more than it ever has. Let's walk through the checklist. 1. You haven't reconciled all your accounts. Bank accounts, credit cards, loans, merchant processors. If even one of these is off, your tax return will be wrong. My recommendation, reconcile everything through November and then again at year end so your numbers match the real world. 2. Payroll data doesn't match your books. If your payroll report don't match your bookkeeping, your W-2s, and your payroll taxes will be wrong, which is an automatic IRS issue. My recommendation, compare your payroll report to your profit and loss and fix any discrepancies now, not when payroll filings are due. 3. Your asset list isn't updated. Most business owners forget about equipment purchases or equipment they got rid of. My recommendation, update your asset list. What you bought, what you disposed of, and what qualifies for 100% depreciation this year. 4. Owner's draws and distributions are not documented correctly. If these aren't tracked properly, you can trigger audit flags or misreport your taxable income. My recommendation, review all draws and shareholder distribution and make sure they're categorized correctly. 5. You haven't prepared contractor information. If you pay anyone more than $600, you likely need to issue a 1099. My recommendation, collect W-9s now. Don't wait until January when everyone suddenly becomes hard to reach. 6. Sales tax isn't reconciled. Multi-state or even single-state sellers often underpay or overpay without realizing it. My recommendation is review your sales tax liability and verify your filing match your actual sales. 7. You haven't reviewed your profit and loss for errors. Year-end is the perfect time to spot mistakes. My recommendation, look for duplicate transactions, negative numbers, missing receipts, and expenses logged to the wrong category. 8. You haven't identified tax credits. Most owners leave credits on the table. My recommendation, look for R&D activity, energy efficient improvements, EV credits, and Section 179D for commercial buildings. 9. Inventory hasn't been adjusted. Wrong inventory numbers mean wrong profit. My recommendation, count inventory. Write down obsolete or damaged items and update cost of goods sold accordingly. 10. You haven't talked to a tax professional yet. By the time January hits, it's too late to make most strategic moves. My recommendation, have a year-end tax review before December 31st so you know exactly what to do before the deadline. If you're still watching, you already understand the truth. Your tax season goes a whole lot smoother when your books are clean before the year ends. Most businesses don't get into trouble because they're doing anything wrong. They get into trouble because they didn't get organized in time. At TJD Accounting Tax, we help business owners clean up their books, prepare everything needed for tax season, and identify savings before its filing deadlines hit. If you want a stress-free tax season and a clear plan for what to do before December 31st, this is your moment. Click the link in the bio to book your free year-end tax checklist review. We'll walk you through your numbers together and show you exactly what to fix before you file. Let's get your financials year-end ready and make tax season simple.